Mohammed Faisal.
Assalamualaikum class. I am Mohammed Faisal and today I will motivate you by telling how we can build our character. So once upon a time my teacher gave me advice in our class and they told us that 5 things makes a man character. The first thing that makes a man character is our thoughts. As we know, whenever we uh, thought about anything, then it become our words. Then we thought about words, then it becomes our actions. As we know, when we thought about anything, then it comes from us in the form of our actions. So the third thing in character building is actions, and the fourth thing which builds our character is our habits. As we know, whenever we perform action, then it become our habits. As we know, when we perform a habit again and again, then it become our character, and people know us about our character. So we should careful to build our habits, because your habits become your character and you are known by your character. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Good job. Mohammed Ihsan.